Welcome back. We're taking questions from across the country and it's time to head down to the south. Manu writes in and says that I want to invest in Hyderabad. Budget is 35 to 45 lakhs. I work in Raheja IT Park, high-tech city. Give me options for both 2 BHK and 3 BHK. Gosh, high-tech city is not possible in 35 to 45 lakhs. So in and around, I guess, around mostly,
so
not in.
markets that we think in the mid segment that are suited for your budget and your requirement are Manikonda and Kondapur, closest to the high-tech city as we could get, keeping your budget in mind. Both micro markets now have a very healthy inventory overhang, Manikonda being 16 months and Kondapur being about 12 odd months. Prices in these regions also have
really
shot up from 70-80 months down to 14-16 months.
Fantastic. So buying is picked up and quite a bit in Hyderabad.
And so is the weighted average price also, 3450 for Manikonda and Kondapur is 3650 for the mid segment. Price appreciation is also in the positive with 7.75% for Kondapur and Manipur is about 6 odd %. Projects that you could consider over here are Green Living by Gaura Hallmark, 3250 rupees a square foot. It's a 3.5 acre project. Only one block of G+7 stories. Project construction is halfway through. The builder is quite well known for its commercial developments across the city, and project has good facilities and amenities. Then you have Sri Hemandurga SIV Hills by BRC Infra. This project is in Manikonda. Currently one block is ready and another block which we have recommended will be ready by April 2015. This project is approved by HDMA and the whole project will be ready by 2016 end. 7 blocks in 8 acres, so density is pretty okay, I would say, because 800 units are there. Shriya SK Wonders by Shriya Construction in Kondapur. This project is developed with 96 units and this is a G+5 story structure. This is a project from the Central University. It's only 1 kilometer and Botanical Gardens are only 2 kilometers away from this project, making the location slightly more strategic. That's why it's slightly more expensive as well. And the project is approved by leading PSU banks and this project is located close to the Chirek Public School and the Immunology campus in Kondapur.
Alright, so Manikonda and Kondapur inventory overhang has come down, very safe limits, way below 24 months. So there's a pickup in Hyderabad. And you know, Samir, the good part is that the price appreciation is still below 8%. So very steady, stable market so far. We've always been saying keep an eye on the Hyderabad market, especially from an end-use perspective, great quality of construction. And with that and a positive note on Hyderabad market, we're going to wrap for today. To get your questions solved by our experts, what do you have to do? Just write to us at property@ndtv.com. You can also tune into our radio show every Saturday at 2 p.m. on Radio City with Anjali. And for the hottest news in real estate, log on to ndtv.com/property. You can also follow us on Twitter and Facebook. So pretty much 360, just get in touch with us. Samir, thank you so much for your time. Until we meet again, goodbye from me.